Hello everyone. Let's discuss about Docker in this session. This is a small session introducing a Docker tool. First of all, what is Docker? Docker is a DevOps tool used for packaging and application code along with its libraries, dependencies, and configurations and other requirements. Docker tries to package everything into a small container so that it can be easily transferred to any team like QA or any other team who can use it. Just compare Docker to a lunchbox. Docker container to a lunchbox, sorry. How lunchbox packages all your food items like sandwich, kira, etc. into a single box. The same way, if you consider this as a Docker container, it can package code, libraries, settings, etc. into a single container like structure. So for creating that container, first of all, we need to create a Docker image so that that image can be stored at a repository management like Docker Hub or ECR, etc. In the same way, how you push your code into a GitHub repository, same way Docker images can be put into a Docker repository handler. To create a Docker image, sorry, you need to create a Docker file. The Docker file will be depending on the tech stack and the application. First of all, create, we'll try to create a sample level container, Docker container. The prerequisites for this, you need to be install Docker. You can install it from the official documentation. If you are using Ubuntu, you can use this official documentation provided by the Docker docs. You can add the repository keys and you can install the Docker C, Docker all container.io, Docker plugins, and you can test creating a container using this command. I would pre-install all the Docker. Just show you how to execute this Docker. Hello world. You can see hello from Docker. This came from the backend application, but you don't know where the application is. It is packaged and pushed into a repository. This is a public image. It can be, if you don't have the image already installed in your environment, it will try to install from the public repository hub and it will try to run the application. You can show the Docker images can see Docker images created in your C and a level images created, and it is also see this is a sample level Docker